One of the purposes of a cell is that the process flow is all set close together. This reduces transportation and motion waste within the cell. This close together placement is referred to as point of use placement. Each of the operations within the cell should be placed as close together as possible so that all forms of muda are minimized and the cell is already in a position to transform from Kanban to one-piece flow. As you begin to establish your cell design, you will see that lead times will be drastically reduced, as well as forms of motion like reaching, bending, lifting, stretching, twisting, and other dangerous movements. This reassures that the cell is not only a superior design compared to its functional counterpart, and that it is safer as well. One activity that can really help maximize your point of use design is 5S. The 5S system should be in place to save space, keep things organized, and reveal waste as well as opportunities to improve. One last thing before we move on. As you place your operations in a process flow layout within a cell, be sure that all needed supplies, materials, tools, and equipment are within the operator's reach. They should also follow the production flow of the materials or information so that they can flow in and out very smoothly. And that's it. Point of use placement within a cell.